It's May 1 and I don't have enough sleep. Very hot! Maglanan kong mangga. There, di ba? Naroon ng 7-Eleven dira. 7-Eleven, nangitag ice. Ice, baby. Spelling mo tayo. Nabot kami alas 9. Hoy, nagmahid ang kuwan ako gidala kong mga anak.
Dayon na, mau na.
The mothers are there. Motherly. Vitamins nandiyan eh. Vitamins. So that's our tent. Mother Madelus. The grill station here. 150 ang rent. Biliban eh ko na yung mga motherly. Yay! So while others are preparing for the food, I'm gonna shoot for my TikTok. We are in Cascades Nature Park for women's outing. The theme is about like the grace of God, sufficient enough, and the power of God, power of Christ is perfected in our weakness. Very relatable to me. So I'm here just chilling. I like this kind of like church activity that I'm not the one like organizing it, because I can relax. I can just sit down and think. Our pastor asked me what to do daw. What's our plan? I don't know the plan because I'm not the organizer. But anyway, start na daw ko no. Sige. Sige. Okay. Adlaw malipayo. Adlaw.
Hindi ko tanan di sino na anak ko. Net sige na hanap ko mauyab di anto na kami sa kay maglab sa isa. 2 Corinthians 12:9. Ang mga Bible lang. Mabot rin ang panahon. Siya mo doon pagpangita sa view ko nga kanang naimuagak sa kita.
Kaon time! Papo! Alauna! 1:12. We're not afraid of the sun. Oh my goodness.
Kinsa man as init oy.
Mura jitag ko na ni.
Saman may kailag init.
Mag-games na daw mi. Sa ilalim ng mango tree. Wala po niya. Basa man. Wala ilabot si Angel.
You give there. Only one. You give there. Madelo!
Lima guro na. Gikuha niya. Basta na lang. This is their function. Nice dire. Chill. Ano yung mga nice dire. Chill lang. It's hot, but I don't want. It's nice to swim, but I don't want to change. Cool. And what the shit? Kapoy lagaw. Kao no? Sige na, kay para makadaw ko.
Out na.
Out na sa tihani.
Out na.
Daog palkansi ba?
Oh.
Ligo jud.
Oh, matamari matog.
Paligo jud. Ala, lista. Ligo ra ko mo. Ako rin bahala. 1, 2. So, na may 3 meals ako and okay. Ako, I'll pay. Just give me everything, then don't let me figure out the details. I just need the total.
Butang sa libi sa imong.
I swim or not? Type of disability. Mental. PWD. Gapang bungol. Maligo na to. Let's go swimming. It's already, I didn't have any plans of going to the pool, but just to join everyone. Parang sulit ang bayad. Hindi bayad naman tali. Paspase. Mulay gana the picture. Seryoso ka tag nagsawa. Kadumang ka na.
Ngarian. O amo sa magyampo, bitan pa. Atong amo mga kaigtuunan, ilalom, salandong sa imong mga pako. Ikaw mismo Ginoo maga control sa
Bye everyone.